So if you've forgotten your lock screen PIN, password or pattern, today I'll be showing you how to bypass the forgotten lock screen PIN, password or pattern on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now for this to happen, you'll need to do a wipe data or hard reset on your phone so that you can be able to go back to the setup screen. However, you're going to need to have your Google account and the password that you had originally signed into on this phone. So be sure to have that before you go into recovery mode and hard reset your device. So to hard reset your device, all you simply need to do is press and hold the volume up and the power button simultaneously until you see a flashing TECNO logo. And once you see the TECNO logo, simply release the side key or power button and continue pressing the volume up button until it boots up in recovery mode. So let's do that together. Power button, volume up, press and hold on them while ignoring anything that is happening on the screen. Ignore everything, even the power menu. And once it goes off and you see the flashing TECNO logo and feel a slight vibration, let go of the side key and continue pressing the volume up key until you feel another vibration. And once you feel that vibration, your phone should now boot into recovery mode, just like that. Now in recovery mode, the touchscreen doesn't really work. So to navigate, you'll simply need to use the volume rockers to scroll down and use the side key to select. So scroll down until you get to wipe data stroke factory reset and select that. And then here, simply scroll down once again and select factory data reset. And once the data wipe is complete, go back to the menu and select or highlight Reboot System Now and select Reboot System Now to now boot your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra into normal mode back to the setup screen. So wait for that to happen, be patient. And once you're allowed back into the setup screen, we'll now set this up quickly so that I can show you how to bypass that PIN, password or pattern that you had forgotten. So swipe up to start. Select your language. Then select your country or region. We'll quickly go through this setup. We'll skip this. We'll also do this later. So we're really going through this setup quickly so that I can be able to show you how to bypass that. So select your Wi-Fi network. Connect. Then tap on Google Services. It's going to check info. Now, at this point, you're going to be asked to verify yourself using the pattern that you are using or paste or PIN or password. But because you've forgotten that, we'll select Use My Google Account instead. And this is what I was saying earlier, that you really need to remember the account, the Google account and the password, the correct password that you used on this phone before you forgot your PIN, password or pattern. So we are now going to enter that in the next screen. So I'll enter the email I was using on this phone. So ensure it's the correct email and then tap on next. You'll be asked to confirm that you're not a robot, so select that. Go through the verification process. Then tap on verify. Then once you're done, tap on verify once again. Once you verify that you're not a robot, you'll now be asked to enter the correct password for that email. So enter it, then tap on next. Be sure to enter the correct password. So I encountered a little issue with my email. So be really sure that this is the email that you are using here with the correct spellings and everything. Then enter your password. And once you enter the correct password, tap on next. And then now it's going to get your account info, let you back into the account that was signed into this phone. So you may be required to enter the email again to proceed. So do that real quickly and enter your password. Then tap on next. Then say I will be using this device. Select I will be using this device to proceed. Then tap on I agree. It's going to get the account info. Now at this point, you're going to be asked to enter an unlock method. So we'll skip this. And then it's going to ask you to copy the apps and data from your Google account if they had backed up. That's another thing you need to do, ensure that your data is backed up to your Google account. And as you can see, it's going to ask me to restore the data that I had backed up. So you can either select don't restore or simply select your backup like that to continue with the backup. So select all the things that you want restored if you want, but if you don't want to restore, you can really select don't restore, and because you can get a chance to restore them later. Then you can proceed to accept all these things and then back up to your device. Don't back up at this point. We are really doing this this setup quickly. Tap on no thanks. Set up Google Voice. Skip that as well. No thanks. It's going to get your phone ready. Tap on recommended services. Toggle on or off for what you need and what you don't need. Set up Tecno ID later. Select no. Now you're continuing with the setup. Would you like to transfer data from your old phone? No. Select your navigation method and to proceed. Then you'll go through that little tutorial to show you how to use the one tap button. So give it about 3 seconds, and once it's done, tap on skip. And now when you tap on this arrow, you're going to be let back in to your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra without the lock screen password. There you go. With all your data intact, everything is going to be there, and you will not be required to enter the PIN, password, or pattern that you had forgotten. So that's basically how to bypass or fix a forgotten PIN, password, or pattern on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.